Hi Tapestry, my name is Paul's son. I've been working in the film industry for a little over 10 years now, and I've had a lot of people come up to me asking, how do I take my photography or my videography to the next level? And in this day and age where visual communication has been almost primarily the way we share our ideas, it hasn't been more imperative that we cultivate that skill a little bit more. And so in this class, I want to really talk more about not just the rule of thirds or exposure and how to use our camera, but really how to find our creative voice and how to really find the way you see things and the way you want to create things and really communicate that in your photography. We're going to talk about narrative, we're going to talk about how to tell a story and how a simple image can really communicate so much. And so that's really the point of this class. So whether you're a beginning photographer or you've been shooting for a while now, I would love to just create a place where we can really communicate with one another and really share ideas and really share experiences together so we can all just kind of get better together.